I didn't ask for help.
Why are you filming in here?
I'm actually doing a job, so you need to move out of my way.
Why are you filming in here?
That's none of your business.
What are you picturing?
What am I picturing?
Yeah.
What am I picturing? What does that say?
Yeah, it says no pictures.
No, it doesn't. It says restricted entry.
Right. Must register at
pictures
front
of the
desk. So I guess the question is what is
That
the...
doesn't say no pictures.
Yeah, I know that. What's the function though?
That doesn't say no pictures.
What's the function
Back up,
say?
man, 6 feet.
Well, I'm
Back
6
up.
feet. What is the
Back
problem? No, I want to
Back
know.
up.
Why are you photoing?
up, man.
Why are you photoing us?
Don't worry about that.
What do you mean? It's our business. That's their company's
Back up.
property.
Back up.
I'm not going to back shit up. But you back up. You're sitting here photoing something you shouldn't even be photoing. Right?
What's your purpose here?
Why are you crying about it? It's a camera, man.
What is your purpose
You never
here?
seen a camera before?
Yeah, but we're
Don't
asking
be
you
a
what your
smart ass.
purpose
We're
is.
asking you an honest question.
I don't have to answer
What is your
questions.
purpose here?
I don't have to answer your question.
Yeah,
Okay,
maybe
then
you
you're not
shouldn't be
supposed to be
photoing.
filming here.
All right.
I can
All
film
right.
anything I can see. Don't touch my shit.
Then
Don't
back
touch my
off.
shit.
Back off.
Don't touch my shit.
Back off. Back off.
Come on in, Howard.
You know? Back off. You shouldn't do anything. You're infringing on the company
Get
property.
away from here. You have no business here.
Get out of here,
That's
man.
what that says. You got no business here. All right? Get away. Let's go inside.
No.
You
Why
can
should
film
we
the
back
fence.
off with this guy? Who does he think he is?
I don't know.
Who do you think you
I
are?
don't know.
I'm just filming,
Back
man.
off.
For what?
You
I'm
got
just
no
filming.
business.
For none of
Okay,
your business.
for what?
For none of your
For
business.
what?
Don't touch my shit.
All right, well back
Don't
off
touch my
then. Maybe
shit.
you shouldn't. I'm
Don't
touching
touch
it.
my
What are you
shit.
gonna do?
Don't
Huh?
touch my shit.
Back off, motherfucker. Huh?
Howard.
You shouldn't be here anyway filming anything. It's private property.
Yeah, let's go inside.
I'll lay you out, bitch.
You ain't laying shit out.
Oh yeah? I'm a fucking senior citizen, but I can still lay people out. You want to be the first one? Huh?
That's it.
You're on public property now. Step on the other side. Huh? You shouldn't be filming. That's illegal.
Yeah.
You're illegal.
That's against rights.
You're illegal.
Illegal for what?
You're illegal.
All right.
All right,
Why
maybe
don't
you
guys
ought to
go
back
away,
off.
man? You guys already
Yeah,
made yourself.
you move along. Move along.
Okay, if we did,
You need to move along. You got no
Move
business
along,
here.
Howard.
no, you move along.
You got no business here. Move
All right?
along. Come
Yeah,
on
you
now.
got no business
You
here.
got no business here.
What do you mean?
You're on the public sidewalk.
All right.
Go back to your business on your property.
All right. Well, I don't like being photoed by somebody
Well,
I
that's
don't
too
even
bad.
know.
You can cry
You know
about it
that?
all you want.
You know? Who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are?
You got no business here.
You know? What's this? Huh? That
fuck
tells
you
you where
doing,
you're
bitch?
at, huh?
Don't touch my
Huh?
shit, motherfucker.
Huh? Huh?
Don't get laid out, motherfucker.
Well, you're gonna lay me out? Come on. Come on.
Nobody's gonna lay anybody
Take
else.
one.
Nobody's gonna lay anybody else.
Take
Let's go.
one.
Come on.
I'm
Go ahead,
ready.
man. Go ahead.
Let's go. Let's go inside.
Go ahead. Fucking crybaby.
No, I'm not a fucking crybaby.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, I am. All right.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. He's out there. He's gonna use that as an excuse.
Yeah, excuse to
It's
what?
evidence.
Step over here, though. Step over
It's
here.
evidence.
Evidence for what?
It's evidence.
Oh, get out of here.
Try to steal my shit.
It's all property right here.
I don't care. Think I don't know that or what?
You're not very smart, obviously.
No, you're not very smart.
Have a nice day.
Wow, what a cocky motherfucker you are. Huh?
Come on, motherfucker.
No.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I wish you would.
You'll be tired after 2
You
minutes.
wish you would
I wish
because
you
you
would.
couldn't.
You'll be tired after 2 minutes.
I wish you would.
Yeah, get away. I think he
Oh,
went up
baby.
the corner.
On another day without the camera, I'll
You
take
guys
you
are a
out by
bunch of little
myself,
sissy
kid.
lalas. You want to talk shit now that the gate's closed?
Oh,
tough guy?
wait, you come behind the gate then.
Yeah, shut up.
Yeah, go fuck
How
yourself.
about you shut up, old man? Crybaby.
Get out of here.
What?
You're a bad boy with the camera, huh?
No, I'm a good boy, actually.
No.
I'm a good boy.
You're a tough guy.
Fucking tyrant.
Tough guy.
Tyrant.
Yeah, you guys are a bunch of crybabies.
All right.
Trying to bully people around in the public.
What are you talking about? You're sitting here infringing on people's private property. You shouldn't be. You shouldn't
I'm
be
just
doing
out
that.
here on the public, man. I'm just out here in the public.
Exactly.
I'm just out here on the public. That's it.
You're out here in the public.
The fact of the matter is that you shouldn't be taking pictures of things
I
that you're
can
not
take
supposed
pictures
to.
of anything I can see, man.
You can take
Why do you think they
pictures
sell
of all the camera. You
drones?
didn't
Why do you
even
think
ask
there's
me,
Google
bro.
Maps? There's
I'm gonna go
pictures
back
of
to my
everything
meeting.
Guy with
already.
a fucking
Dummy.
camera talking shit.
Man, stop. You're
Typical
gonna cry
guy.
about it now too, man?
Typical
And make
guy.
yourself
Why
look
would I
like a
trust-
fool.
Whatever, man.
Yeah, go cry
Take
about
your
it,
camera.
man.
Shove your camera up your ass.
Oh, okay, tough guy. You're worse than the old man.
Yeah.
You're worse than the crybaby old man.
Hey,
This is why America's fucked up with people like you sitting here infringing us.
Bitches like you, shut the fuck up. Public photography.
All right?
Simple as that. Stop putting a running.
Yeah, I know that, but what do you got? What is it that you want here?
Come out here to assault them for what? You fucking
I didn't assault shit. And who were you taking pictures of people?
You are a great example of a tyrant. Shut up.
A great example of what?
Of a tyrant.
No, I'm not a tyrant,
Yeah, you
man.
are.
No,
Yeah, you are.
I'm not a tyrant. I'm just a
You are a
person that
tyrant, man.
I'm a person that gets infringed when somebody comes and shoots me for no reason, and then
Shoot
you ask.
you, it's a camera.
And I understand.
Well, stop
but
being a
here's
man
the
baby.
point about it.
Why are you being a baby?
Here's the point about
Stop
it.
being
You
a
sit
baby,
here.
Howard.
You sit here and take a picture for what reason? We asked a question.
Are we on camera all day, every day?
I don't
Every time
know.
we come out the house? Every time, man.
I don't know. All right. But you know, it's kind of like infringing on my personal business.
No, it's not. Just get back to work.
You know.
Get back to work.
We
Don't
asked
worry
a
about the
simple
camera.
question to this guy, what's the difference? And then he gets
No,
up our ass.
he was grabbed, his camera was grabbed, and everything else.
That's because I don't like a
That's
camera.
called
That's because I
battery.
don't like
That's
a camera
called
in my
battery.
face.
And now you're violating
Nobody
the
grabbed
six,
his camera.
I got it
We
on
got all
film,
kinds of
man.
witnesses.
So
here.
what?
Crybaby.
You're violent.
Hey,
You
put
violate.
your mask
No,
on.
I'm
Está
not
violando
violating.
los seis pies. It is true. Hey, put your mask on. You see that?
Yeah,
You see how close
mask,
you got?
no mask,
No,
no
you
mask.
walking up to me.
No
If
mask.
you touch my face, you know what's gonna happen,
Hey,
right?
put
Put
your
your mask.
Yeah,
You know
yeah,
what's
we'll
gonna
see,
happen,
we'll
right?
see, bro.
Yeah, we will see,
All right,
bro. Don't think
all right.
the big muscle's gonna do shit for you.
No, I got you. I got you.
What, you think somebody's scared of
No,
you?
but
bro?
just asking
no.
asking a question. All he did, simple thing, was ask a question. Why
Sounds
is
like
he
a
filming?
threat to me, man.
That's
There's
all.
no threat.
Is that how
I
you
said,
come?
I got
This
you.
is how your company
I
represent.
got
This
you.
is how you
There was
represent
no
your
threat
company.
here.
You
You're
guys
the
come
one
out
that's
and
coming
threaten
over here
people on the
filming and
sidewalk for
taking
taking
pictures of
photography.
Nobody's
I'm
threatening
just
you.
out here trying to do a news story,
Nobody's
man.
threatening you.
Yeah, you just
So
did.
my old school
You
ways
just
get all
threatened
over
him.
when somebody
You just
pulls
told him I got
Nobody-
you.
He's the one that threatened him.
No, you guys all
He's the one
threatened
that
me.
threatened
You
him.
guys all threatened me first.
Nobody threatened you.
Yeah, you did.
You're just
Yeah, you
afraid.
did.
Right.
And at the end, you wanted to be a tough guy when the gate was all
Nobody's
closed.
gonna be a tough guy.
It's crazy.
All right, stay
Yeah,
here.
I agree with you on that.
All right, have a good day, bro.
Howard's the one that grabbed my shit, acting all cool with you. Why don't you
I did.
apologize,
Got a
man?
little
Why don't you
understanding
apologize to
going. Got a
me?
little understanding going
Why
on
don't you
because
apologize to me?
A little
It's called
talking
communication,
back,
buddy.
man,
A little
that's all.
nothing.
It's
Fuck
called
off.
I just approached
Fuck
you over
off,
here.
man.
You signed me
Fuck
on.
off.
Right? Respect. You got to earn respect.
Yeah,
son.
you gotta earn respect. You don't.
Right.
You don't get respect just because you walk up and ask a question.
Well, you need to
You
tell us
don't.
what
Yeah,
you're
you
doing.
don't get
Why
respect
not?
because you got all those stupid little man muscles on you,
All right,
man.
sure,
Stop
sure.
crying about it.
Have a nice day,
Go
guys.
cry with your fancy pants somewhere else, man.
Sure.
Oh, I got you. I got you. What a pussy. What a pussy. Number one pussy right here. Number one pussy right here. Fucking crybaby bitch.
Hello.
Yeah, a couple of your employees just came in, put hands on my stuff and, you know, threatened us with violence. You know, I just don't understand why they would come out to the sidewalk and cause so much trouble out here. We're just covering a news story and these guys came out and threatened us with violence.
Were you guys inside the property?
No, we were out here on the sidewalk the whole time.
Yeah, they have
I would hope you would try to address that because we're
Can I
just
take a
doing.
picture of me?
I'm sorry.
No, the door.
There's still a 6 foot social distancing order